So one of the first ones I want to talk about is the Saramonic Ultra. Now this one is new. I love the way this thing looks. You open this up, the quality is very retro. If you look closely, it looks like an old school record player guitar case texture. It's very retro and very high quality looking. And it even lights up on the top. It tells you if it's charging or things like that. But you open this up and this microphone, it looks like a tiny retro record player speaker. Just the way it looks, it just looks very nice. So it has 32-bit internal recording, 8 gigabyte many hours of recording of 32-bit audio. This Saramonic has an automatic gain control. Some cameras would call it a limiter, where all of a sudden if you're talking and then boom, something really loud happens or you're screaming, and you know, some people get on the mic and whoa, scream real loud. It prevents it from peaking. So that's one of the technology that it has that's so great with using a ZR. So you automatically get great audio. You no more distorted audios for you using the Saramonic Ultra. So that's amazing. I love the way it looks. You got a dial right here. This also has a built-in time code. Normally, you're supposed to buy a tiny little time code adapter, plug it into the audio jack to your camera so you have time code in your mirrorless camera. But this has it built in, so you don't have to buy that extra. That's already part of this. Multiple ways of clipping it on. Of course, there's the little clipper right here. Just like how I have this Saramonic mic on me, I could use that to put a magnet behind it and stick it, but it is a little bit bigger. It also has a 3.5mm jack, which comes with 2 lapel mics. So that's already taken care of in this bundle, 2 lapel mics. And on top of that, it does come with a dead cat. It uses the 3.5mm hole, and it's got a little thing that sticks out. So when you put it in, it goes into that hole and it just kind of holds on real tight. And of course, it comes with the cables. It comes with the USB-C charging cable. It comes with 3.5mm cable. The cool thing is it also, this is kind of cute. It comes with a tiny little antenna. So normally without antenna, you could transmit this 250 meters away, but with the antenna attached to it, you could transmit up to 300 meters away. Love the way this thing looks. And in this case, it also comes with a lightning adapter and a USB-C adapter, because you could also use this for your iPhone, for your iPad, computer, on any devices. This is a high quality iPhone microphone system. It also has a USB-C in the back, so when you plug in like an external battery, if you want to be shooting all day, then it will charge the receiver and your phone at the same time. And it has an app that you can use to change all these parameters. It has an amazing noise cancellation. It's waterproof, it's rainproof. I don't think any of my wireless mics are rainproof. This one is one of the first that I know of that is rainproof, so that's really cool. This battery lasts up to 6 hours. With a case, you could charge it 2 times, so you get 18 hours total. Definitely get yourself a 32-bit wireless mic like the Saramonic Ultra for sure. Now, we have no excuses of getting bad audio. Using this, you can always have great audio. Magnets everywhere. Magnet on this, on the cover, magnet on all the little dongles that goes in, so everything just sticks. And just to let you know, I'm gonna put all the Amazon links and discount links below, and if you do buy from me, thank you so very much for your support.